Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best shoe patches is probably one of the most versatile and affordable solutions for extending the life of your favorite footwear, and in this video, we will explore the top shoe repair patches available on the market, comparing their durability, ease of use, and overall effectiveness in fixing various types of shoe damage, from small scuffs and scrapes to larger tears and holes, helping you choose the perfect patch to keep your shoes looking and feeling their best. Number 5. Shoe Heel Repair Patches Kit. Say goodbye to worn-out shoes. These easy-to-use patches are perfect for fixing holes and keeping your footwear looking its best. Made from soft microfiber leather, they're comfortable against your feet. They're also non-slip, sweat-absorbent, and breathable. With a strong self-adhesive backing, application is a breeze. Just peel and stick them onto the damaged area and press firmly. This kit includes 2 sizes to fit various needs. You can even cut them to create custom shapes for a perfect fit. From sneakers and high heels to leather shoes and boots, these patches can repair almost any type of footwear. Each pack contains 4 pairs, providing plenty of patches for you and your friends. Keep your shoes looking new for longer. What we like? If you prioritize comfort and ease of use, this is a great option. It's easy to apply and comes in various sizes to fit different shoe types and repair needs. If you're looking for a simple, comfortable solution for repairing small holes, this is the one for you. What people say. I put the patch on there first without peeling the adhesive protective film, and once I knew exactly how I wanted it, I took the film off and applied it in one shot, carefully rubbing it across so it's smooth and no wrinkles. On one shoe I used the small one, and on the other shoe I had to use the larger one. The material is also easy to trim with a pair of scissors to make any custom shape you want. However, it's better to have more material covering the damaged area so it sticks better. After a week of everyday use, it still looks perfect. I can't feel it in my shoes, and it has the same texture as the original one. So you know when you wear out the back of your shoe and nothing else is wrong with the shoe? These work. I have had them a month or so in the shoes I wear every day. No rolling, no peeling, just a nice little patch over the hole, and my expensive hiking shoes with no wear anywhere else that I literally wear every day are like new again. Quickly used the other sets in my tennies and they all worked there too. The adhesive on these is very sticky, so once you put it somewhere in the shoe it will stay. If you peel it up to reposition, it won't stay in place the second time. I held a slight roll in the patch, so that it would more conform to the shape of the back of the shoe, pressed it into place and held it for a moment. The shoes are wearable and comfortable again. There are sufficient patches to do at least 2 pair of shoes with extra pieces. Number 4. Boyiee Shoe Heel Repair Patches. Are your favorite shoes worn down at the heel? These easy-to-use patches provide a simple solution. Repair and protect your footwear with Boyiee. They're designed to be strong and long-lasting. The self-adhesive backing makes application quick and easy, no special tools needed. This set includes multiple sizes to fit most shoes. You'll find the perfect patch for sneakers, heels, and more. Don't let small holes become big problems. These patches help prevent further damage and extend the life of your shoes. Simply peel and stick. It's a quick and convenient way to repair your shoes and keep them looking their best. With 8 pairs in each pack, you'll have plenty of patches for all your shoe repair needs. Keep your shoes looking new for longer. What we like? This offers great value with multiple pairs included. The self-adhesive backing makes application a breeze, and the variety of sizes ensures a perfect fit for various shoe types. If you need a large quantity of patches for multiple shoes or frequent repairs, this is a cost-effective choice. What people say. They perfectly cope with the task by closing the formed abrasions, increasing the service life of my shoes several times. They stuck in place really securely, have never came loose. You can't feel them in the shoe, and I've gotten a lot more miles and use out of my tennis shoes. After putting on these patches, I was able to comfortably wear my shoes for the first time in months. Number 3. 12 Pairs Sneaker Heel Repair Patches. Are your favorite shoes looking a little worse for wear? These durable patches are here to save the day, extending the life of your footwear. Simply peel and stick these patches onto damaged heels. No special tools or skills are needed. They're designed to withstand daily wear and tear, providing reliable protection for your shoes. Perfect for sneakers, leather shoes, and even high heels. They seamlessly blend in with most materials. These patches not only repair existing damage but also prevent further wear and tear, keeping your shoes looking their best. With 12 pairs included, you'll have plenty of patches to keep your entire shoe collection in top shape for a long time. What we like? With a dozen pairs, this is the most economical option for those who need many patches. It's quick and easy to apply, making it ideal for quick fixes. If you need a bulk supply for multiple shoes or a large family, this is the best value. What people say. These work so well that I now install them in every new pair of shoes immediately. Super strong adhesive and very durable material. Texture is nearly perfect, not too hard or smooth like another set I got once. Honestly, you cannot feel that these are installed. They went in easily and have stuck great, no edges peeling up. My husband and I have been putting these in the toe box of new athletic shoes for a few years now, and they work great to prevent holes in the upper. I get way more life out of shoes this way. Number 2. Shoe Toe Box Protector. Are your favorite shoes suffering from annoying toe box holes? It's time to give them a new lease on life. This easy-to-use insert will protect your shoes from further damage. It's made from tough, high-quality materials, ensuring it can withstand daily wear and tear. This protector is built to keep your shoes looking great for longer. This product is proudly made in Korea using superior materials. You can trust in its quality and durability. Applying it is a breeze. Simply peel, insert, and stick it into place. No special tools or skills are needed. It's suitable for various types of shoes, from sneakers to any soft front footwear. Find the perfect spot in your shoe's toe box and apply it to prevent blowouts. Target those trouble spots. Place it anywhere in the toe box where blowouts are most common. It's the ultimate solution for extending the life of your shoes. What we like? If durability and quality are your top priorities, this patch is made with high-quality materials and manufactured in Korea. It's simple to apply and built to last. If you want a long-lasting solution for your most worn shoes, choose this one. What people say. The inserts were easy to apply and were comfortable when wearing my shoes. They appear stable and have not tried to dislodge. It's been a couple months now, and they have offered stable, sturdy protection for my shoes. I do a lot of walking with my job, and they perform very well. I can't even tell that they are in there. I discovered that they stick very well, they are comfortable, I don't even know they're there, and they have solved the problem. I have had them in and wearing them for several weeks now, and they are still doing great. They are still sticking and the holes are not getting any worse. If you apply the patch from the inside, the sticky adhesive tends to hold up pretty good. At the minimum, it can buy me another few months of extensive use of my work shoes. So after a few years of using this product and extending the usage of each pair of shoes by an extra 3 to 6 months, definitely has saved me more than enough money to pay for itself. Number 1. Shoe Heel Repair Inserts. Say goodbye to worn-out shoes. These inserts are made of high-quality, durable microfiber to protect and extend the life of your footwear. Application is simple, just peel and stick. They're designed to withstand pressure and sweat, keeping your shoes in top condition. The non-slip, wear-resistant, waterproof, and breathable material provides comfort and prevents blisters. The strong adhesive ensures a secure fit. These inserts effectively repair existing holes and prevent future damage to your shoes. They're perfect for running shoes and sneakers. Easily cut them to fit any shoe size or to cover only the areas that need protection. Get the most out of your footwear. Protect your investment. Use these inserts in new shoes to prevent wear and tear from the start, and keep your favorite shoes looking and feeling great for longer. What we like? If you need a waterproof, durable solution for your running shoes, this is a perfect choice. The strong adhesive and comfortable material will protect your feet from blisters and discomfort. If you're an avid runner and want to extend the life of your shoes, this is for you. What people say. Used these to repair my shoes that had a hole from rubbing up against each other during my runs. They worked great and have easily extended the life of my shoes. The product fits my running shoes well and it's not noticeable when I'm wearing the shoes. These were the perfect solution. She did have a little adhesion issue with one of her shoes, so we tried another patch and it worked fine. The second is still going strong, so it may have just been a lemon in the pack. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.